In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to install Node. If you're on Windows, open up Command Prompt. If you're on Mac or Linux, open up the terminal. First, let's see if you already have Node on your machine or not. So run node space dash dash version. You can see on this machine, I'm running Node version 6.10.3. This is an earlier version of Node. The latest stable version is version 8. Now, on your machine, chances are you may not have Node or you might have an earlier version. Either way, I want you to install the latest version of Node. So open up your browser and head over to nodejs.org. On this homepage, you can see we have two versions for Node. One is the latest stable version, which is recommended for most users. At the time of recording this video, that's version 8.9.1. And there's always a newer version, which is experimental, and it might not be stable. So I want you to install the latest stable version. Also, take into account that in the future, when you're watching this video, chances are the latest stable version might be newer. If you're worried that this course is going to get outdated, don't worry. Because in this course, we're going to focus on the fundamentals. So I'm going to work with the core modules of Node. These core modules are stable. They have been there for a long time. So the code that we're going to write in this course will continue to work with the future versions of Node. Once you master the fundamentals, you can always learn about the new features that come in every version by looking at the changelog. So let's not worry about the fancy new features in Node and focus on the fundamentals. So let's go ahead and install the latest stable version. You can see here I get a package. We run it. It's an installer. Take a look. Very simple. Just continue, 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 install. We need to enter our password. And the installation is complete. It took only a few seconds. So now, back in the terminal, let's run node -- version one more time. You can see I upgraded my Node to version 8.9.1. Next, we're going to build our first Node application.